on find 1/6 of 420. I need to split it in 6 equal parts, so I did 420 divided by 6. This gave me 70, so 1/6 of 420 is 70. Now this says find 1/4 of 44. 1/4 means I need to divide it by 4, so I'm just going to do 44 divided by 4, which gives me 11. So 1/4 of 44 is just 11. Now this one says find 1/8 of 72. It's 1/8, so I need to divide it by 8. 72 divided by 8 gives me 9. So 1/8 of 72 is just 9. This one says find 1/5 of 60. So I'm going to do 60 divided by 5, which is equal to 12. So 1/5 of 60 is just 12. Find 1/3 of 48. I'm going to do 48 divided by 3, which is equal to 16. So 1/3 of 48 is just 16. Work out 3/4 of 180. Now I'm going to work out 1/4, and to work out 1/4, I need to do 180 divided by 4. When I do 180 divided by 4, I get 45. So I know 1/4 is equal to 45. Now I need to know 3/4, so I'm going to multiply this by 3. So for example, imagine it's 4 separate parts. I need to work out 3 of the 4 parts. Each part is equal to 45, so I'm going to do 45 multiplied by 3. 45 multiplied by 3 is 135. So 3/4 of 180 is just 135. Now for this one, I'm going to do 2/5 of 140. So I want to work out 140 divided by 5 is 28. Now I need to work out 2/5, so I'm going to multiply it by 2. 28 times 2 is 56. So 2/5 of 140 is 56. Find 2/3 of 240. First I'm going to work out 1/3. I'm going to do 240 divided by 3 to work out 1/3. That gives me 80. Then I'm going to work out 2/3, so I'm going to do 80 multiplied by 2, which equals to 160. So my answer is 160. I need to work out 5/6 of 72. So first I'm going to work out 1/6. So I'm going to do 72 divided by 6, which is equal to 12. Now I need to work out 5 parts out of the 6. So I'm going to do 12 multiplied by 5, which gives me 60. So 5/6 of 72 is 60. Now I need to work out 3/7 of 56. So I'm going to do 56 divided by 7 to get me 1/7. 56 divided by 7 is 8. Now I need to work out 3 of the 7 parts. So I'm going to do 8 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 24. So 3/7 of 56 is 24. Holly is thinking of a number. 3/4 of Holly's number is 39. Work out the number that Holly is thinking of. So the number that Holly's thinking of, we're going to call it n. So there's 4 quarters, right? Now 3 of these quarters are equal to 39. We need to work out what all of these quarters are equal to. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do 39 divided by 3 to work out what one individual quarter is equal to. So 39 divided by 3 gives me 13. Now I know one of these is equal to 13. Now there's 4 parts, so I need to work out all 4 quarters. So I'm going to do 13 times by 4. 13 times by 4 is equal to 52. So the number that Holly is thinking of is 52. So my answer here would be 2/5 of a number is 18. Find the value of n. So imagine I have 5 parts here. Now 2/5 of these parts are equal to 18. We need to work out what all 5 parts are equal to. So I'm going to do 18 divided by 2 to get me 9. Now I know one individual part is 9, so I need to multiply it by 5 to get me all of these parts. So I do 9 times 5, which gives me 45. So the value of n is 45. 5/6 of a number is 30. Find the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 of these parts are equal to 30. I need to work out what all 6 parts are. So I'm going to do 30 divided by 5 to give me 6. So each part is 6. Now I'm going to do 6 multiplied by 6 to work out all of them, which gives me 36. So my answer is 36. Work out the difference between 25 and 2/9 of 81. So I need to work out 2/9 of 81. So I'm going to do 81 divided by 9, which gives me 9. Then I'm going to multiply 9 by 2, which gives me 18. So 2/9 of 81 is 18. Now I need to work out the difference. So I'm going to do 25 minus 18, which gives me 7. So the difference is 7. Work out the difference between 3/8 of 32 and 2/5 of 40. Now, I'm going to do 32 divided by 8, which gives me 4. Then I'm going to do 4 multiplied by 3, which gives me 12. So this is equal to 12. Now, for this one here, I'm going to do 40 divided by 5, which gives me 8. Then I'm going to do 8 multiplied by 2, which gives me 16. So the difference between 12 and 16, I'm going to do 16 minus 12, and I'm going to be left with 4. So my answer here is 4. Work out the difference between 20% of 90 and 3/7 of 49. So I'm going to do 90 divided by 10, which gives me 10%, which is 9. Then I'm going to multiply 9 by 2, which gives me 20%. So 9 times 2 is 18. So 20% of 90 is 18. Now 3/7 of 49, I need to do 49 divided by 7, which gives me 7. Then I need to do 7 multiplied by 3 because it's 3/7 to get me 21. Now the difference between 21 and 18 is 3. So my answer is 3. There are 924 people in a theatre. 383 of the people are men, 354 of the people are women. 2/5 of the children are boys. Work out how many girls are in the theatre. So firstly, I'm going to do 383 plus 356 to work out how many adults there are altogether. I am left with 739 adults, so I need to work out how many children they are. Now I need to do the amount of people minus the adults to work out the children, and I get 185 children. And 2/5 of the children are boys, so that means 3/5 of them are girls. So I need to do 185 divided by 5 to work out 1/5, and 185 divided by 5 gives me 37. Now I need to multiply by 3 to work out how many girls there are. So 37 times 3 is 111. So there's only 111 girls in the theatre. The normal price of a computer is £40. The price is reduced by 1/5 in a sale. Work out the price of the computer game in a sale. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. So 1/5 is 8, so it's reduced by £8. I'm going to do 40 minus 8, and I'm left with 32. So the new price is £32. There are 1,100 students at a school. 540 are girls, and the rest are boys. So firstly, let me do 1,100 minus 540, which gives me 560. So I know there's 560 boys. 1/10 of the girls are left-handed, so I need to do 540 divided by 10, which gives me 54. So 54 girls are left-handed. 1/8 of the boys are left-handed, so I need to do 560 divided by 8, which gives me 70. So 70 boys are left-handed. Now I need to work out the total number of left-handed people in the school. So I'm going to do 54 plus 70, which gives me 124. So there's 124 left-handed students in the school. Harry has 50 sweets. He gives 2/5 of the sweets to Sandra. He gives 3/10 of the sweets to Jamie. He keeps the rest for himself. Work out how many sweets he keeps. So I need to work out 2/5 of 50. And we'll do 50 divided by 5, which is 10. Then I'm going to do 10 multiplied by 2, which is 20. So he gives 20 of the sweets to her. Then I'm going to do 50 divided by 10, which is 5. And then I'm going to do 5 multiplied by 3, which is 15. So he gives 15 sweets to him. Now I need to do 20 plus 15, which is 35. Work out how many he keeps for himself. So 50 minus 35 is 15, so he keeps only 15 sweets for himself. The normal price of a train ticket from Ashford to London is £34.20. Ross gets 1/3 of the price of his train ticket. Work out how much he pays for his ticket. So first I need to do £34.20 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4 divided by 3 is 1 with 3. 1, 2, 4, 0. So he gets £11.40 off his train ticket. So I need to do 3420 minus £11.40, and I get 0,822. 2, so he ends up paying £22.80. Stan has an income of £2,000 a month. He spends 2/5 on his rent. He spends 3/20 on his bills and 1/10 on his food. He saves the rest. Work out how much he saves every month. So I'm going to do 2,000 divided by 5 to give me 400. Then I'm going to do 400 times food, 400 times 2 because he spends 2/5. So 400 times 2 equals 800. So 800 is on rent. Now I'm going to do 2,000 divided by 20, which is 100. Then I'm going to do 100 multiplied by 3, which is 300. So he spends 300 on bills. Now he spends 1/10 on food, so I'm going to do 2,000 divided by 10, which is 200. So he spends 200 on his food. So I'm going to do 800 plus 300 plus 200, which is 1,300 altogether. So I'm going to do how much he makes altogether, £2,000 minus 1,300 to work out how much he saves, and it's 700. So I'm left with £700. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow my Instagram and TikTok. Thank you.